Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about its approved use Audi Q4 E-Tron S-Line finished in the modern Geyser Blue metallic paintwork. This powerful 2021 model is a 40 E-Tron with an 82 kilowatt battery that produces 150 kilowatts or 201 horsepower. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with a rear light bar for great visibility, large 20-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, aluminium roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q4 badging in addition to stylish E-Tron badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 520 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find both AC and DC charging ports on the driver's side of the car, supporting easy home and fast public charging. This Q4 E-Tron can charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes on an ultra-rapid public charger, while on a 7 kilowatt fast home charger can fully charge the battery in just 11 hours and 30 minutes, providing a range of up to an impressive 311 miles. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to rear climate control. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vehicle range dependent on charge levels, vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior and exterior lighting, in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns, in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment, and an open storage compartment with 2 additional USB-C charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.